In today's video, I'll be showing you how to build your very own custom GPTs.
Creating custom and practical GPTs involves a strategic process. Today, we are going to discuss how to make custom and useful GPTs. A little more than a year ago, ChatGPT became extremely popular. It was difficult for anyone to comprehend that the AI chatbot could complete laborious jobs like summarizing articles and creating comprehensive trip itineraries in a matter of seconds with only a few suggestions. That's little potatoes now. The developers of ChatGPT, OpenAI, have made it possible for anyone to make their own custom version of the software. They're dubbed GPTs, and in a matter of minutes, you can create one customized to your organizations or your own objectives. While ChatGPT has gained widespread recognition in less than a year, the underlying algorithms fueling this popular AI tool have been actively supporting various applications and services since 2020. To comprehend ChatGPT's functionality, it's essential to delve into the core language engine at its foundation. The GPT component in ChatGPT primarily comprises two interconnected algorithms, GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4, with the latter exclusively accessible to ChatGPT Plus subscribers. GPT, signifying Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is followed by a numerical designation representing the algorithm version. OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT, and the image generator DALL-E 2, developed the GPT models, which play a pivotal role in diverse applications ranging from Bing's AI features to writing tools like Jasper and Copy.ai. Notably, the prevalent AI text generators currently available leverage GPT-3, GPT 3.5, and GPT-4, although specific details about their usage are often undisclosed. ChatGPT rose to prominence by simplifying the interaction with an AI text generator, making it accessible and free for everyone. Its chatbot format, reminiscent of the popular Smarter Child, garnered significant user appreciation. Presently, GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 are the most widely recognized large language models, LLMs. However, in the coming years, increased competition is expected. Google has introduced Bard, its AI chatbot, leveraging its proprietary language engine. Pathways language model, PaLM 2. Meta, the parent company of Facebook, has launched Llama 2, its latest LLM. Additionally, there are alternatives tailored for major corporations, such as Writer's Palmyra LLMs and Anthropic's Claude. Nevertheless, OpenAI's offering currently stands as the industry standard, being the most accessible tool for users at the moment. The OpenAI team's GPT models are a set of deep learning-based language models. These models are capable of handling several NLP tasks such as text summarization, question answering, and textual entailment without supervision. For these language models to comprehend tasks, very few or no examples are needed. They outperform state-of-the-art models trained in a supervised manner, if not better. OpenAI users have customized ChatGPT to construct GPTs. Simply explain what you want to construct to the GPT builder in plain English, and the builder will take care of the rest. You may set up your GPT to execute programs, create images using DALL-E 3, and access the web. Although ChatGPT answers can already be customized with unique instructions by users with a Plus or Enterprise account, the GPT Builder goes one step further in two noteworthy ways. Number 1. Create multiple custom GPTs. The freedom to create numerous GPTs allows for seamless transitions between chatbots, enabling tailored AI support for specific situations. Conversely, custom instructions constrain users to a singular set of instructions. Number 2. Upload knowledge source files. Rather than manually copying and pasting content from various sources, you can streamline the process by directly uploading knowledge files to your GPT builder, simplifying the information incorporation. You have the option to opt your account out of model training as part of OpenAI's privacy restrictions. This implies that in order to train their models, OpenAI won't be able to access anything that contains sensitive information. Let's look at how we can create it step by step. Step number 1. Log into your OpenAI account. You need to have an Enterprise or ChatGPT Plus account before you can proceed. Possess the necessary account type already? To begin a conversation, click Login. Step number 2. Create your GPT. Navigate to the Explore section in the sidebar and select Create a GPT. The GPT Builder will present a split-screen interface, the Create panel for inputting prompts to construct your chatbot, and the Preview panel for interacting with the chatbot in real time to facilitate refinements. Input your instructions into the message box on the Create page and hit Enter or Return. Based on your instructions, the GPT Builder will propose a chatbot name, profile picture, and default conversation starters. For instance, you may instruct the builder to provide succinct responses if your chatbot produces long ones. Alternatively, you can instruct the chatbot to always cite its sources if it generates facts without doing so. Once your chatbot begins to provide the kinds of responses you want your final chatbot to produce. Step number 3. Configure your GPT. After completing the basic setup, you may use advanced settings to further personalize your GPT. Click Setup. You can modify the name and description of your chatbot as you would normally do if you so choose. This is how you change the other advanced options. Select the user photo. You have the option to upload a photo of yourself or use DALL-E *3 to create one automatically. Click Make and input your instructions to select what kind of image DALL-E *3 should be made. With thousands of more apps with AI actions from Zapier. In this manner, you can interact with applications such as Slack, Google Calendar, and Notion directly from ChatGPT's interface. Step number 4. Save your GPT. Click Save if you're satisfied with your chatbot. Click Update if you have previously made your own GPT and are publishing updates to it. Decide with whom you would like to share your personalized chatbot. Me alone, just those who have a link, or the public. You will also have the option to contact anyone at your organization. If you are on an enterprise plan, press Confirm. Step number 5. Share your GPT. If you've made your personalized GPT accessible to others, follow these simple steps to share your chatbot. Navigate to the Explore section in the sidebar and select the desired GPT. Click on the downward caret next to your chatbot's name. Choose the Copy Link option and proceed to share the link as you typically would, or more icon beside the GPT you intend to delete. Choose the option Delete GPT. In the confirmation window, click Delete GPT. That concludes the process. That's all about today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.